Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. That's right, Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Gemma of Broomfield, Colorado. I bought almost a $3,400 policy on my property that was supposedly covering everything. We had some damage to our doors and windows after the storm, which caused water from the rain to leak in and caused floor damage. And on top of that, after I contacted my insurance company, they created a claim, and I had to call them for weeks to never get a call back from my claim specialist. And finally, I received a letter that stated they didn't cover anything caused by nature, humans, plants, animals, etc. So I realized that my coverage was a joke and called and canceled my policy. The funny part is that 15 minutes after the cancellation, I received a call from the claim specialist who wouldn't call me back for weeks. Of course, right? But again, depending on the policy, it might exclude all those things. But if it doesn't exclude those things specifically, there's an argument to be made that they are included, right? Humans cause vandalism, and usually that's covered under a policy. Again, I don't know, I haven't seen that policy specifically, but you have to make sure that you understand your policy. And most people don't understand their policy until it's too late, meaning until after a loss. The last thing you want to do is have a fire at your property and then realize you don't have the coverage that you need. It's a tough realization. I've helped people in the foothills of Colorado that had $147,000 limit on their policy total for yes, it was a small cabin, but I don't know if you know, like, construction prices right now, it's crazy. You couldn't even get like a garage built for that, right? Up in the mountains, because the trek back and forth, contractors don't really want to go up there. It takes too much time, so on and so forth. But what I'm getting to is really the property that they needed to rebuild was about $400,000, and they had $147,000 in coverage. That's a bad time to figure out that you don't have the coverage that you need. So make sure you understand your policy and your coverage. And one of your best allies could be your insurance agent or your insurance broker that understands your needs and actually looks out for you over themselves, okay? They have a fiduciary responsibility to look out for your best interest before their own. And if they do that properly, you should have the right coverage. Simple as that. If you do have the right coverage and you're fighting an insurance company claim because they're not paying fairly, properly, fully, then contact us. BellatorClaims.com. Contact us today.